Transitioning between being an intact family and an intact household into one where the parents have to share time with their children can be very difficult. First and foremost, it's very important to sit down with your co-parent, if you are able to, and start the lines of communication open from the very beginning. Sit down with a school calendar, figure out what the schedule is during the week, figure out the kiddos' extracurricular activities after school and on the weekends. Figure out what type of schedule would be in your children's best interest for the two of you in moving forward. For example, we have what's called a 5-2-2-5 plan. Parent 1 has Monday, Tuesday with the children. Parent 2 has Wednesday, Thursday with the children, and then the parties alternate weekends from there on out. That schedule is really beneficial because it truly affords each parent equal time during the week and on the weekends. So we do find that that is a very popular schedule and works really well for the kids. Another schedule you can think of is a 3-4-4-3 schedule. Parent 1 has the first 3 nights, parent 2 has the next 4, and then parent 1 gets the next 4 after that, and it just rotates from there on out. Again, this is a pretty popular one as well because it does afford each parent pretty equal time during the week and on the weekends with their kids. We have seen some schedules go week on, week off. I find that that's a little bit more attainable the older the child is, because the younger the child is, being away from one parent or the other for 7 days at a time can be very difficult. We've also seen some people, the older the child gets, do a 2-week on, 2-week off schedule, which again, if that works best for the child, especially when the child is in high school, that may be most appropriate. Some parents choose to do alternating weekends. So let's say father has the majority of the time and then mom gets the kids every other weekend. Certainly if that's something that you and your co-parent decide on, that's great. That can be difficult because in that circumstance, mom is just not as involved during the week with the kids, and it's harder to be an every other weekend parent just by the very nature of not having much time with your kids. So there are plenty of opportunities out there for you guys to explore different types of parenting time arrangements and what works best for your kids.